The ocean is full of life. Fish swim through its depths. Whales sing their songs. But did you know that plants also live in the ocean? These plants are incredibly important. They are like the trees of the sea, providing homes for many creatures. Marine plants and algae are the unsung heroes of the ocean. They are the base of the ocean's food web, feeding everything from tiny shrimp to giant whales. Without them, the ocean would be a very different place. These plants and algae also help to keep our planet healthy. They produce much of the oxygen we breathe. They also absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to combat climate change. In this essay, we will dive into the world of these amazing underwater plants and algae. We will explore their vital role in the ocean and the importance of protecting them. Kelp forests are like underwater forests. They are made up of large brown algae called kelp. These kelp can grow very tall, some reaching over 100 feet in height. That's taller than a school bus. These impressive underwater towers create a unique and thriving ecosystem. Kelp forests are found in cold, clear waters around the world. They provide food and shelter for a wide variety of marine life. Fish, sea otters, seals, and even gray whales rely on kelp forests for their survival. These forests are like bustling cities under the waves. They are full of activity and life. Kelp forests also play an essential role in protecting our coastlines. They act as natural buffers, reducing the impact of waves and storms. This helps to prevent erosion and protect coastal communities. Seagrasses are flowering plants that live in shallow coastal waters. Unlike seaweed, they have roots, stems, and leaves, just like plants on land. These meadows may not be as tall as kelp forests, but they are just as important. Seagrass meadows are often called the nurseries of the sea. They provide a safe haven for many young fish and invertebrates. Small animals hide from predators among the blades of seagrass. They also find plenty of food in these underwater meadows. Seagrass meadows also help to improve water quality. Their roots hold the sediment in place, preventing erosion and keeping the water clear. This is important for the health of coral reefs and other marine ecosystems. Phytoplankton are microscopic plants that drift in the ocean's sunlit surface waters. They are too small to see with the naked eye, but don't let their size fool you. These tiny plants are the foundation of the entire marine food web. Phytoplankton are like the ocean's breadbasket. They are eaten by small animals called zooplankton, which are then eaten by larger animals, and so on up the food chain. Without phytoplankton, there would be no fish in the sea. Phytoplankton are also responsible for producing a significant portion of the oxygen we breathe. Through photosynthesis, they absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen. In fact, they produce about half of the oxygen on Earth. Marine plants and algae face numerous threats. Pollution from human activities, such as agricultural runoff and plastic waste, can damage these delicate ecosystems. Climate change is also a major threat, causing ocean warming, acidification, and sea level rise. Scientists are working hard to understand these threats and find ways to protect marine plants and algae. For example, researchers at the University of California, Santa Barbara, are studying how kelp forests are being affected by climate change. Their research is helping us to develop strategies to conserve these vital ecosystems. We can all do our part to protect these ocean heroes. Reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable fishing practices, and keeping our beaches clean are just a few ways we can make a difference. The future of the ocean's green giants depends on us. By understanding their importance and taking action to protect them, we can ensure that these vital ecosystems continue to thrive for generations to come. Imagine a future where kelp forests sway in clear blue waters. Picture vibrant seagrass meadows teeming with life. Envision a healthy ocean full of fish and other amazing creatures. This is the future we must strive for. Let's work together to protect our ocean's gardens and ensure a healthy planet for all.